and regular and irregular single points also we will discuss, and what will be the type of solution for different type of differential equations that we will discuss here. Now, only point a single point. First of all, suppose that this type of differential equation is given, right? This type of differential can be written as d square by p naught x d square y by dx square plus p1x dy by dx plus p2x y equal to 0. So this p naught x can be divide this p1x by p naught x, then p2x by p naught x. If we divide that, that will be px basically. So px is equal to what? Px is equal to p1x divided by p naught x. And similarly, p2x by p naught x is equal to qx. So the point actually depends upon the following. The following condition will be there. Like that, first of all is only point and single point. We have to see where the point given is the only point, simple point, you can say, or single point. Two points are possible. Ordinary and regular is same basically, nothing else. Now, if px and qx, this one, are both analytic. Analytic means basically both differentiable at a particular point, right? Then that point is basically ordinary point. Or simple ways, simply you see this one p naught x, p naught x. If this is not equal to 0 at x equal to 0, then it is ordinary point. We will see one example later on, right? And how this example can be, this condition can be applied. Now single point. If point x is equal to x is not is equal to x is called single point of this equation 2. If px or qx or both means one of them or both, you can say, are not analytic, or simple way is if you check the value of p naught x, that is one. If at x equal to x equal to x naught, x0 is not equal to 0, I repeat, if p naught x is equal to 0 at x equal to x naught, in the previous definition, that ordinary point, you are not equal to 0, it is equal to 0. So now at a particular point, if it is equal to 0, then that is a, if p naught x equal to 0, then that is a single point. Further, regular single point. If the point is singular and further you want to check whether it is regular singular or irregular singular, right? Both we can check. Like, suppose this type of equation is there, we know the value of px. Px is p naught p1x by p naught x, and similarly we know the value of qx. Qx is equal to p2x by p naught x, right? Now, if you take the limit, right, that means at the point which is given, at the point we have to see, where we have to check, you can say, whether the point is regular or singular. For that point, that limit we have to take, right? Like here we are taking x tend to x0. So x minus x0, like it is 1, suppose it is 1, then x minus 1 आ जाएगा. It will be x minus 1 into px is a finite value. Similarly, qx multiplied by this one, if if it is also finite, and if both are finite also, then that is a regular single point. Similarly, if you want to check irregular, then you find the value of this value, x minus x naught, px, and x minus x naught the power square, qx. If both are not analytic here, means not differentiable at a particular point. Now, example we can discuss. I suppose this type of question is given. We want to check whether this is a ordinary point or singular point. Simplest way is you see the first part. First coefficient of d square y by dx square. That is 1 minus x square. It means it is p naught x is equal to 1 minus x square. Put the value of x is 0 because no point is given, so we automatically assume that x will be equal to 0. So put x to 0, it is not equal to 0. So this is ordinary point, or you can say a regular ordinary point, or you can say a regular point also, right? So now, so if this type of solution, if this type of point is there, the solution will be of this type. This type always. It means if you check the differential equation, if the point is ordinary point, then the solution of that differential equation will be y is equal to a naught plus a1x plus a2 x square plus a3 x cube and so on. Further, suppose that if f p naught x is equal to 0, early condition was it is not equal to 0. Here suppose that is 0, then the point will be singular point. You can see here p naught x is equal to x square, p naught x will be equal to x square. So at x equal to 0, what will be value? It will be 0. So this equation has a singular point at x equal to 0. Then solution will be of this type. In the previous, it was a naught plus a1 x and so on. Here it is a naught x is power m. Now further, you will see the compare the coefficients and find the roots also, because two roots will be there of the integration, right? If these two roots, I repeat, these two roots, because two roots will be there in the integration m1 and m2. If these two roots are not equal, right, and it is, suppose it is a integer also, then what will be the solution? This type of solution will be there. Not equal to integer, sorry. m1 minus m2 is not equal to integer. Means not equal to integer means it is 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4 and so on. Not like 1, 2, 3, 1, comma 2, comma 3 and 4. So on. Right? This type of solution will be there. If m1 is equal to m2 means root 1 means suppose two roots are there, 2 and 3, 2 and side will be also 2. So that's why m1 is equal to m2. If this type of case is there, then the solution of differential equation will be of this type. If the case this one, m1 is not equal to m2 means root 1 is not equal to root 2 and it is integer also, then this will be where here m1 will be the value which is higher because the difference is integer, right? So whichever is higher, so that will be here and other term will be here. So always in the differential equation, from these three cases will be there. Only one case can be possible. Either it is m1 not equal to m2, not equal to integer, or it can be m1 is equal to m2, or it is equal to m1 is not equal to m2 and equal to integer also. This one. So in this way, that is the difference between ordinary point and single point. Thank you.